Dear students, today I am going to discuss regarding STD control program. So before going to discuss regarding the control program, just we review the term sexually transmitted diseases. The term sexually transmitted diseases is used to refer to a condition passed from one person to another through sexual contact by having unprotected sex with someone who has the sexually transmitted disease. Sexually transmitted disease also called a sexually transmitted infections or venereal disease. Common symptoms are pain or discomfort during sex or urination, sores, rashes on or around the genital area, unusual discharge or bleeding, and itchiness. Types of sexually transmitted disease. Most common types are chlamydia, human papilloma virus, syphilis, HIV, gonorrhea, pubic lice, trichomoniasis, and herpes. Comes to the sexually transmitted disease control program. Sexually transmitted disease control is also linked to the HIV/AIDS control. Transmission of sexually transmitted disease and HIV are same. HIV is transmitted more easily in presence of STD. Early diagnosis and treatment of STD is one of the major strategies to control spread of HIV infection. Following approaches are adopted to control STD. These are management of STD based on specific symptoms and signs, integrated services for treatment of reproductive tract infections and sexually transmitted diseases at all levels of healthcare. So referral services are also available in all the STD clinic at district level, block level, and FRU, first referral unit, in case of patient refers from the peripheries. Strengthening of STD clinic in all district hospital, medical college, and other centers. Orientation training program of medical and paramedical workers engaged in STD services. The services includes approach according to the syndromes, counseling services, providing good quality condoms to the STD patient. So some of the pre-packed STI, RTI color coded kits means content of the drug kits for RTI, STI patients. These are pre-packed color coded RTI, STI kits are being supplied in all STI, RTI clinics and to all states AIDS control societies. Color code are kit 1. These are the drug kit. Kit 1, that is grey color, for urethral anorectal discharge and cervicitis. Kit 2, that is green color, for vaginitis. Kit 3, white color, for genital ulcer. Kit 4, blue color, for genital ulcer. Kit 5, red color, for genital ulcer. Kit 6, yellow color, for lower abdominal pain. Kit 7, black color, for inguinal bubo. Next, information, education and communication. Communication is the key word for generating awareness on prevention of STI/RTI, motivating access to testing, treatment, care and support. Communication in National AIDS Control Program 4, Phase 4 is directed at to increase knowledge among general population, including youth and women, on safe sexual behavior, to sustain behavior change in high-risk groups of people and bridge populations, to generate demand for care, support and treatment services, to make appropriate changes in societal norms, that reinforce positive attitude, beliefs and practices to reduce stigma and discrimination. So these are the main focus for communication in National AIDS Control Program Phase 4. Adolescent Education Program. This program includes 16-hour sessions are scheduled during the academic terms of class 9 and 11 to build up life skills to cope with physical and psychological changes during adolescent period. State AIDS control societies also adapted the modules after consultation with NGOs, academicians, psychologists and parent-teachers bodies. This is implemented in many states. Next, Red Ribbon Clubs. This is an important, very important in case of sexually transmitted disease, RTI, STI, including HIV and AIDS. Red Ribbon Club is a movement started by the Government of India in schools and colleges, through which students will spread awareness over HIV and AIDS. Means the main purpose of Red Ribbon Club is to bring awareness among the students in school and colleges regarding HIV and AIDS. Significance of Red Ribbon red like love as a symbol of passion and tolerance for those affected. Red like blood representing the pain of AIDS patients. Red like anger about helplessness as there is still no cure. Red is a sign of warning not to carelessly ignore one of the biggest problems of our time. Red ribbon symbol. This is the universal symbol, awareness and support for both drug prevention and for the fight against AIDS. Wearing a ribbon is a great way to raise awareness on and during the run-up to World AIDS Day. The purpose of Red Ribbon Club formation in colleges is to encourage peer-to-peer messaging on HIV prevention and to provide a safe space for young people to seek clarifications of their doubts and myths on HIV and AIDS. Also promotes voluntary blood donation among youth. Dealing with stigma and discriminations. HIV-related stigma refer to negative beliefs, feelings and attitudes towards people living with HIV, their families, people who work with them, means the HIV service providers and members of the groups affected by HIV AIDS. So students, you just see that stigma are the negative belief, negative feelings, attitudes of the general population towards the people living with HIV AIDS. Discrimination refers to the unfair and unjust treatment of someone based on their real or perceived HIV status. So discrimination also that is one of the unfair and unjust treatment of someone based on their real or perceived HIV status. So we are, as a health personnel, we have to very much aware regarding the this stigma and how to reduce this stigma related to HIV and AIDS. See the points related to reduction of the HIV stigma. Stigma related to HIV. Number 1, help institutions recognize stigma. As a community health nurse, you have to help the institutions to recognize the stigma. Address social stigma and environment. So according to the stigma, you have to take care. or you have to aware the general populations. How to reduce the stigma? Respond to the needs of stigmatized populations. Use the media to show that AIDS has a human face. So take help of the media. What are the modes of spread of AIDS? Means how AIDS, HIV AIDS is spreading among the population, general population. Involve people living with HIV in service delivery. While delivering the services, means while rendering the services for community or people living with HIV AIDS, while planning the services, you have to take the participation of people living with HIV. Engage the community, means focus on community participation. And expand antiretroviral therapy, and just award the people living with HIV AIDS, those who are or means to attend the antiretroviral therapy clinic for getting their services, therapy, treatment. So these are about the STD control program. Thank you. Study.